Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download VLC in Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. I am not using Samsung Smart TV, but the process is similar, so follow along. First, turn on your TV and make sure it is connected to a stable internet connection. From the home screen, open the App section and navigate through the store interface. Once inside, go to the search option and type VLC Media Player. If the app appears in the results, select it and press Install to download it on your TV. After installation, launch VLC from your apps list and allow necessary permissions to access media files from connected devices. Also, make sure your network speed is strong so downloads and streaming work smoothly without interruptions. Restart your TV if the app does not appear after searching. Finally, check for system updates, because outdated firmware can prevent apps from showing correctly. So that's basically how you can download VLC in Samsung Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.